Okay, morning guys. Going to be looking at the strength of the market, see which is moving and shaking. And then I'm going to have a quick look at the economic calendar, see if there's any times you need to be avoided. I do this every single morning for the squad and myself, and I release it to the public a little bit earlier. So all members get to see it very early, and it's currently 7:15 in the morning. So the top three have all shifted into a strong position, which is here, the US, Euro and Pound, with the JP down in the weak section. So we have a good selection of products to use today. The biggest movers and shaker is the US has gained 3 and the New Zealand dollar has dropped 5. I don't really trade the New Zealand dollar, so I'm not bothered about that. But the dollar's strength is increasing, which is good. Now, of all of the majors, these move every single day regardless. US JPY has pulled out as one of the top contenders, as is the US Swissy. I don't trace the Swissy, but I do trade US JPY, as you can see on this side, the markets that I trade. Now, if I go down the list to see which is the best of the bunch, Euro USD, well, they're sitting close together, both gaining ground, both increasing together. It'll move, but it won't move particularly spectacular. So I'll be really careful with that. Then we got the Pound US, again, tightly packed. So it's something to avoid. Then you got Pound JPY. There is a separation there that you can keep half an eye on. And Euro, again, same principle, but the best of the bunch is US JPY because I want to see them spreading apart, okay? It shows bigger movement, so that could be interesting later on today. The biggest gain in strength is the Euro, so that's something to bear in mind. You've also got the US gaining 18, but the Pound is losing ground and so is JP. So again, if you're looking at products, Pound US is the better pair. Then you've got US JPY as probably pair of choice today. Now, news-wise, if we take off the filters, we don't look at any of the low-level stuff. Doesn't really help you. What you're left with is this. So it's 7 o'clock, so coming up in 10 minutes time or so. We do have the inflation rates for the pound, so be very careful with the pound in and around there. And then later on, a little bit of US news. But once we get past 7 o'clock and the open, it's pretty much a technical day. Okay, guys, see you all soon.